Welcome to this channel. Today we are going to explore Norway, Northern Europe, culture, nature and adventure. Before we go into the video, please subscribe this channel and press bell button to get notifications of upcoming videos. Now we go into the video. Norway is a Nordic country located in Northern Europe, known for its stunning natural beauty, rich cultural heritage, and high standard of living. It is a popular destination for tourists and a great place to live and work. Norway is situated in the northern part of Europe, bordering Sweden to the east, Finland and Russia to the northeast, the North Sea to the west, the Norwegian Sea to the northwest. Norway has a rich and complex history with evidence of human habitation dating back to the Stone Age. The country was united under a single rule in the 9th century and later became part of the Kalmar Union with Denmark and Sweden. Norway gained independence from Denmark in 1814 and has since developed into a modern, prosperous nation. Norway's climate varies greatly depending on the region. The country experiences cold winters with snow and ice in the north, mild winters with rain in the south, short, cool summers in the north, warmer summers in the south. Some major airports in Norway include Oslo Airport, Gardermoen, OSL, Bergen Airport, Flesland, BGO, Stavanger Airport, Sola, SVG, Tromsø Airport, Langnes, TOS. The population of Norway is approximately